Long time no see, WH, see? Hopefully, this is a cancellation. What is it? It's a CAE, but... see what it is.
The Leavenworth County, Kansas Sheriff's Office has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 14900 block of Hillside Road, Leavenworth, Kansas on October 24, 2020 at 2:30 p.m. Abducted was Avon Jackson, white, female, age 3, and Nora Jackson, white, female, age 7. Suspect vehicle is a black 2008 Honda Accord bearing Kansas registration 266MXB. Suspect is Donnie Jackson, a white, male, 40, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 190 pounds, has brown hair and blue eyes. Suspect has long brown hair with slight red color and full beard. Victim Avon Jackson has blonde hair and blue eyes. Victim has blonde shoulder-length hair and slender build. Victim Nora Jackson has blonde hair and blue eyes. Victim has blonde shoulder-length hair and slender build. The Leavenworth, Kansas Sheriff's Office received a 911 call from a residence in the 14900 block of Hillside Road, Leavenworth, Kansas. The call led deputies to discover a homicide scene with 2 deceased juvenile males inside the residence and 2 missing girls, Avon and Nora Jackson. The suspect in the abduction and incident is the father, Donnie Jackson. His vehicle is listed, but there is no known direction of travel. Please call 911 or Leavenworth County, Kansas Sheriff's Office at 800-572-7463 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.
Yeah, I think that was just a recent alert.